How to buy subscription on Amazon Prime. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video and today I'm gonna show you the ways to buy subscription on Amazon Prime. To buy subscription on Amazon Prime, you have to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, open up a browser and log into your Amazon.com. You could also use an application, and when you're logged into your account, that's gonna take you to the home page, which will look something like this. Right on this page, you want to go ahead and click on the profile from the top right, and next thing you want to do is scroll down a bit. You could find this Prime Video subscription, or you could also see your membership, your Prime membership. You could go to this, and from here you could go ahead and click on start your free 30-day trial. If you want to continue that, click on it, and here you want to go ahead and select your plan. And basically, to select a plan, you have to go ahead and enter in your debit card or credit card information. If you have any gift card, all that, you could also apply it and click the continue button and just follow the prompt, and with this you'll be able to buy Prime Video subscription. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.